Hi, everybody. It's Diane Yetter with the Sales Tax Institute, back again with another episode of Women to Watch in Sales Tax. And today I am joined by a fellow Chicagoan, Sam Breslow from HMB Legal Counsel, where she is a state and local tax attorney. So, Sam, we are thrilled to have you with us here today. Sam, why don't you tell us a little bit about what HMB does and what you specifically do there?
Sure. I'm an associate at HMB here in Chicago. My practice is not only focused on sales and use tax planning and litigation, but also income tax litigation and planning and local taxes. I spend a lot of my practice both handling audits and litigation in indirect taxes, income taxes, gross receipts, and then those local taxes as well.
So, Sam, is there something that you're most proud of that you've accomplished in the sales tax area?
Yeah, I would say, this last year was really challenging for a number of reasons. And I'm really proud of the professional capital that I was able to take from it, developing not only my knowledge of SaaS and cloud computing, because I've more recently developed kind of an industry specific focus on that, but also just getting creative with marketing. So, a few years ago, I decided I want to work with more technology clients. So I started to sort of put in the legwork, speaking, writing. I published a few articles in State Tax Notes, just kind of doing some background on my knowledge. And I've started to see the fruits of that labor this year. On the marketing front, 2020 forced everyone to sort of be more creative with what we're going to do. We can't go to conferences and network and, be active in the community in the same way that we always have. So along with some of my colleagues, we created a work from home webinar series, which was just an opportunity to continue to be in front of our peers and our colleagues and become active again in the community while we were all quarantining from home. And Diane, I know that you were on a few of those.
So, Sam, do you have advice that you could give to a woman that's looking to get into sales tax and maybe particularly in that might be an attorney?
More globally, just my advice to someone, a woman in sales tax who's sort of starting out, is get to know your client's business, like not on a cursory level, but really get to know them. When I first started HMB, I was tasked with helping a construction client determine the taxability on a multi-state basis. And at that point, not only was sales tax new to me, but I didn't really know that industry at all. So I reached out to them and asked, can I come to the job site? Can I get to know, more about all of these different types of equipment that you're using, the different items? I would encourage women in sales tax to really try to get to know your client's business and maybe don't try to shy away from more like male dominated industries.
Exactly. Sam, thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your advice and background with our audience. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Diane. Thank you for having me.